Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss one of the gate question which came in the year 2018. First, let me read out the question. The size of a physical address space of a processor is 2 power p bytes. Okay. The word length is 2 power w bytes. The cache capacity is 2 power n bytes. The size of each cache block is 2 power m words. For a k-way set associative cache memory, the length of the tag field is. Is it clear? They are asking us to compute the tag field if you are using a k-way set associative. Now first you need to remember what are the things they have asked you. Okay. First they have given that the size of the physical address processor is 2 power p bytes are there. Okay. So 2 power p bytes of the physical address is there. The word length is 2 power p bytes. The cache capacity is 2 power n bytes. The capacity of each cache block is 2 power n words. Okay. And for a k-way set associative. As it is a set associative mapping, the physical address is divided into block offset, set number and tag bits. Are you able to understand? So how the block offset will be calculated? Now remember one more thing. They have given the word length is 2 power bytes and cache memory is this one and size of the each cache block is 2 power m words. If you see that this is in bytes, this is in terms of bytes and cache block is in terms of words. So we have to convert everything in terms of words. Okay. So the physical address in terms of words is equal to 2 power p bytes, meaning is that the physical address size, okay, 2 power p bytes, then what is the word length is 2 power w bytes. So if I convert, I will get 2 power p minus w words I will get. So the total size of this entire physical address will be p minus w. Are you able to understand? If you have the physical address is 2 power p minus w, then you need minimum p minus w bits to represent the physical address. Okay. Now the cache capacity is in terms of bytes they have given. So we need to convert into words. Okay. The cache are number of words in cache memory is equal to, what is the cache memory size? Is 2 power n bytes by what is the size of each word is 2 power w bytes. You will get 2 power n minus w words are there in the cache memory. So you make it that one. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate the block offset. Now the block offset will be depend on the block size. What is the block size they have given? Block size is 2 power m words are there. So the block offset will have m bits. Now next I need to identify the set number. How will get the set number? I need to identify number of sets in the cache memory. How can I get the number of sets in the cache memory? First I need to calculate the number of lines in the cache memory. Okay, number of lines in cache memory is equal to size of the cache memory, meaning is that number of words in the cache memory. Is it clear? How many words are there in the cache memory? 2 power n minus w words are there in the cache memory. And what is the size of each cache block is 2 power m words. Is it clear? Number of lines in the cache memory is equal to number of words in the cache memory or the size of the cache memory by the size of a line. The size of a line is equal to the size of a block. They have given it as a block is 2 power m words. So that's why I have divided by 2 power m. So then number of lines is equal to 2 power n minus w minus m. These are the number of lines are there. Okay. Now if you have these many lines, how you will get the set number? the number of sets in the cache memory. Let me write this one as number of lines is equal to 2 power n minus w minus m. Okay. Then number of sets in cache memory is equal to number of lines in cache memory divided by set associative. Here it is k way set associative. I have to divide by k. How many number of lines are there? 2 power n minus w minus m by k is the set associative. So these many number of sets are there in the cache memory. If you have these many number of sets, then how many bits are required? Remember one thing. If you have 2 power x sets are there in the cache memory, then the number of bits is x bits to recognize one of the set from the n number of sets. Are you able to understand? If you have 2 power n minus w minus m by k, then you need n minus w minus m, okay, minus log k base 2 bits are required. Are you able to understand it or not? These many number of bits are required because it is in 2 power. This if I have to make it in, I will get whole log, I will get minus log k base 2. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? So these many number of bits are there in the set number. So you will have. Now they are asking us to calculate the tag field. So let's make this one as tag field as x because I need to find this number of bits in the tag. So I does not know. So let me make it as x. Okay. And this is this one and block offset is m. Now this total sum is equal to, because the number of bits in the tag plus the number of bits in the set number plus number of bits in the block offset is equal to number of bits in the physical address. What is the total number of bits in the physical address? Is equal to, let me write here, is equal to p minus w. Am I right or wrong? Is equal to x plus number of bits in the set number is n minus m minus log k, and number of bits in the block offset is m. Are you able to understand it or not? So now what I need to calculate? I need to calculate this x value. Now I need to simplify this equation. Plus m and minus m will be cancelled, and this minus w will be cancelled. So what you will have, p is equal to x plus n minus log k. Are you able to understand? Then if you need to calculate the x, so x is equal to p minus n plus log k base 2. Are you able to understand? This is the what I got the number of tag bits. Number of tag bits I have taken it as x. X is equal to p minus n plus log k base 2. That is the number of bits I got. What is the option A? P minus n minus log k base 2. But it is plus log k base 2. But however it was given as minus. So option A is not the correct answer. Option B, p minus n plus log k base 2. Yeah, option B is correct. What about option C? P minus n minus m minus w is there. No, it is not a right answer. Even this also have minus m minus w. Even this is also not a right answer. So for this question, the option B is the right answer. So I hope you have understood how I solve this question. Okay. If you still have any doubts related to this question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.